Alright. We are braving the storm so Tavi can pee.
You need the puppy backpack camera.
And possibly poop. Let's see if we can even get out the door. Come on, Pop. Go ahead. Okay, well, barely made it out the door. Here's Tavi. Tavi is going to try to go look for Downy, but we don't necessarily need to play because it's starting to get dark. He is dropped that. He is not at all fazed by the storm. He likes to pee in the air. He's gonna dig in the snowdrift. Not pooping in it yet. Yeah, you having fun? Yeah? As far as Tommy is concerned, this is like the best thing ever. You wanna do your pee-pee, Tavi? Yeah? You doing what you came out here to do? I got a video of it. Where are we going next? Where are we going next? I know. I'll tangle the leash again. On the drifts. On the drifts. Tavi's favorite. Oh yeah. He's leaping. I think he's trying to play with me, but what? Yeah? You gotta do a poop before we go in? Okay, just for some perspective, the fire pit is completely buried, so are the Adirondack chairs. The lake has like waves and waves. Here's all bundled up. Tavi is continuing his adventure. You playing? In the house when he hears the lake, he's scared, but out here he's like, I'm gonna do all the playing. You don't need to bark. Come on. We gotta go by Downy's porch and get draft. Visit them, Tav. Come on, this way. Come on, we gotta go back in the house. Or at least attempt to shovel that drift out. No, you don't want to go back in yet? No? Where are we going? Uh-oh. I'm on a big drift. You got to a pool now? Let's stick in there now. Okay. Maybe Tavi will consent to going back in the house. You coming in? Come on. Let's go inside. Let's go. Come on. Let's go in and then I'll try to knock this drift down again. Alright.